Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Novacide is an aerosol insecticide that combines 4 different chemicals, one of which is an insect growth regulator. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system, while the IGR Pyriproxyfen breaks the insect's life cycle. Novacide controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for indoor use on fleas, ticks, and pantry insects like roaches and silverfish. Before using Novacide, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. Novacide comes in an easy-to-use aerosol can, so there's no mixing necessary. Shake the can thoroughly and point the nozzle downward before spraying. Novacide is typically used as an indoor broadcast spray, but it can also be used as a spot treatment around your home. Spray a light mist of Novacide over hardwood, carpet, and tile surfaces. Try not to overlap more than an inch with each stroke. If the surface you are spraying is getting wet, the product is being over-applied. You can spray Novacide on almost any surface, including upholstered furniture and under cushions. Do not spray on leather or plastics as it may stain, and avoid spraying on antique finishes. After spraying Novacide, leave the area and keep it well ventilated until the product dries. Novacide has a residual of up to 7 months. We typically recommend spraying it twice a year for preventative control. Novacide begins killing immediately. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take up to 20 minutes for it to die. Depending on your targeted pest life cycle, you may need to reapply after 10 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll need a liquid concentrate and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information. Novacide comes in a specialized aerosol can and includes a nozzle that sprays in a wide fan shape. This makes it very easy to broadcast the product around your home, but it also means that it cannot be sprayed unless the can is pointing down. This means that it is difficult to spray some higher up places. If this is a concern, check out Pyrethroid Aerosol and Flex 1010. Both are labeled for indoor use and treat similar pests.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.